Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and I am making a video specifically around one piece of bedding today because it's that good. Check it out. You know I'm passionate about good bedding, and I have shared a few Linens and Hutch favorites with you before, but they just came out with this one, and I was like, hold the phone, we gotta make a video. Okay, here it is. Look at this, you guys. So this is a comforter set, but I can't even explain how great this feels to me, but it does to you too, I'm sure. It's the best texture, and just, I don't know how, it's so soft. It's kind of gauzy, but it's a actual comforter, so it has a little bit of weight, you know, and fluff to it, which I love, but it comes in the prettiest colors. This to me is the perfect shade of green, so I was freaking out when I saw this. And then there's also a really gorgeous kind of a gray blue tone that looks so high end, as well as a white and I think a pink too. So you can click over in the description below for the link to this. And of course I got them to give me, they're the best. They let me do my 50% off code for you guys again. So you can get this half off right now. So anyways, I had to show you, it's very versatile. I love doing these at the end of a bed to add texture. And then also, like and they're also a great weight to sleep with. I used another one from Linens and Hutch here that you can see. This is a really neutral, but I love kind of the pairing a really simple pattern like this with a little more interest in texture and just like how cute is this? I don't know, it's like little huff. It's a seersucker, I think is what they call it. But anyways, so I just wanted to link that for you and give you my code in case anybody's in the market for new bedding. Highly recommend this one. And the other thing I was gonna mention is like if you have something like this on your bed for the warmer months and then you want this to like layer with it on the cooler months, or like I said, you can sleep with one or the other. It's just really a really great piece. So as you can tell, I'm a little obsessed with it. I do have the sheets as well. These are a newer one as well, and I love the kind of feel of those. They do have an off-white, which always makes me so happy because sometimes a bright white is just too stark if you're doing a little bit more warm tones. So there's the whole bedding set, and you can get actually anything on the whole Linens and Hutch site for 50% off right now with my code that I'll put on the screen there, and it's just such a steal. So let me know what you guys think in comments, and I will see you next time with a longer video, but just wanted to make a quick one to show you this new product.